What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. If you've been following my channel, you know that I kind of have an issue with my Galaxy Z Fold 3, whereas I have these stretch marks that are smack dab in the middle of the screen, and it's from opening and closing it so much, which should be normal. In terms of opening and closing, I shouldn't get stretch marks from this. So obviously they have some manufacturing issues with these phones still, with some people's phones. I don't think it's gonna matter, and it shouldn't matter, if the screen protector is on or off. I took mine off. I think I've seen people commenting saying theirs is on, they took it off, and then they still noticed the stretch marks in the middle of the seam. And I know other people, like I said, have this issue as well. It's not just me. Well, we have a new development, and my wife's phone is now messed up. She also has a Galaxy Z Fold 3. Hers isn't the stretch marks. Hers is, she now has a line going, if I remember correctly, because we recorded this a couple days ago, the actual filming of her phone, and I don't have her phone right next to me. She has a line going down and then one coming in from the side. The screen's not cracked, the screen's not broken. She didn't drop it recently. It just happened one day. She opened it up as she was sitting on the couch, and she's like, whoa. And it looks bad. It looks really, really bad. So what I did is I finally got onto Samsung's website again, and for some reason, I don't know what's up, but I flip-flopped the insurance on the phone. Like, her phone is set up under my information, my phone's set up under her information. And I got hers, I did hers through the website. I was able to go through the website, get hers submitted, and there was no cost to it at all, actually. And the phones arrived today. So when they do arrive, I'll potentially just show you, oh, look at it, I got the new phones. And then you got to ship the old phone back. And then on mine, even though I put in all the correct information, it will not let me submit it through the website. There's some kind of bug going on through it, so I don't know. So I had to call that in and have them manually submit it and have them manually approve everything. And also I get my phone today. So I submitted both phones on the same day. So in terms of how well these phones are holding up, these phones are holding up worse than the Z Fold 2. Z Fold 2, I did have to get fixed, but that's because I physically cracked the phone by slamming it into the cement one day when I was walking, but I didn't really have any other issues beyond that. The Z Fold 3, the big display anyway, like I said, the wife has the issues going on, even though there's no crack, there's no break on it, but it's having malfunctioning issues, and then mine has the stretch marks. So it's not looking too good for the Z Fold 3 overall. The good part of this is that the submitting and the replacing of the new phones was completely smooth. Neither of us had to pay anything. Both of the phones got shipped overnight. So they shipped it Monday. It's now Tuesday, me making this video, and we get our phone. So that's been a completely smooth process with Samsung Care Plus. Whereas last year, I physically broke the phone, and it took a really long time to get that kind of figured out with Samsung Care, with me not having insurance, and I should have had insurance. They canceled my insurance at one point. It was a really messy situation. So good and bad part about it, I don't personally need to get my phone replaced. I can live with the scratches in the middle of the stretches. It's just when I trade the phone in a few months, I want it to be in pristine condition. So I do get the full trade-in amount. And then my wife, obviously she can't really use the phone because it does have those issues on the big display. So it makes sense to her get it replaced. So we both got them replaced. All right, guys, so I got the phones. They came in brown boxes that look like this. They put the phone in this as well. It was like in this little sleeve. I took them out. And then they also give you a little thing to put it in, a little envelope. And the envelope is just an envelope. It tells you to take out the SD card, the SIM card, and any accessories. The phones were bone dry, AKA no juice on the battery. So I had to charge it up. I have it charging right now, both phones, my wife's and I'll ship them off, and hopefully everything will be good. If something changes, like or I get charged or just something bad happens, I'll let you guys know, but otherwise it should be case closed. Let me know about you guys. You still having any issues with the big screen or the small screen of your Z Fold 3? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.